Want to know how to install a bathroom towel ring?
Yes!
In this video, I will show you how easy it is to do it yourself. Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. If that sounds like fun, consider subscribing. Now let's just jump right into this project. Here are the materials I used. A screw gun with a Phillips bit, drill bits, a stud finder, pencil, my self-leveling laser, and a hammer. Here I'm unboxing the Bennington 4-piece bathroom hardware set. I was actually impressed with how it was packaged. There was no two metal pieces really coming in contact with each other. Every single piece of hardware was completely wrapped, so I was very impressed with that. Every hardware piece came with its own mount, drywall screws, an Allen key, and anchors. Now let's install the towel ring. Recommended height is about 18 to 20 inches from the vanity to the bottom of the towel ring. So I was just eyeing it up to see the different variations, and then I just used a pencil to mark the height. To decide the width, I decided to take two center measuring points, one from the mirror to the door trim. I'm gonna make a line, and one from the center of the width of the vanity. So there was about an inch between the two. I decided to install in the center of the two lines. And of course, I used my stud finder just so I know if I'm going through drywall and need anchors or if there was a stud. When you're going to drill into a stud, you want to create a pilot hole so it is a guide for your wood screw to go in straight. When picking your drill bit, you want to pick one big enough to cover most of the main shaft of the screw, but small enough so the drill bit does not cover any part of the teeth. I'm using my laser level also to identify the center of my line easier. And then I just brought my mounting bracket up, drew the circles of the mounting bracket, and then used a small drill bit to drill the pilot hole right in the center. If your stud finder does not hit a stud, then you need to open the hole with a larger drill bit. You want your drill bit to be as wide as the main thickness of your anchor, not including the teeth. Then you can widen the holes with your new drill bit. Next, you will need to hammer your anchors in, and then you can screw your mounting bracket into the wall. I always like to screw in the top screw first. I put it in so it's a little loose, and then screw in the bottom one most of the way. Then I adjust where I want the mounting bracket and then tighten each screw. Then it's time to grab the towel ring and loosen the Allen screw till it's mostly out, so then I can hook the towel ring onto the mounting bracket. Once it's flushed against the wall, then you're just going to tighten your Allen key until the screw is all the way in and taut. I always like to give it a shake to make sure it's secure into the wall, and it looks great. Here's the finished towel ring. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can click the card right up here, or you can click right here for an entire playlist. And don't forget to watch the blooper at the end, and I will see you guys in the next video. How to install this Bennington Lakefront bathroom hardware set? Well, that's a mouthful.